Want to remove viruses from your iPhone and restore normal performance? Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to Safari. Tap Safari, scroll to the bottom, and select Advanced. Then tap Website Data to see all the sites that have stored data on your device. Tap Remove All Website Data to clear any malicious leftovers from suspect websites. Next, swipe to the App Library and open the Files app. Navigate to On My iPhone and then Downloads. Look for any unfamiliar files or folders. To be safe, tap the three dots at the top right, choose Select, tap Select All, and then tap the trash icon to delete everything in Downloads. After clearing website data and downloads, go back to Settings, tap General and choose Software Update. Install any available updates, since iOS updates often include security patches that remove hidden malware. You can also enable automatic updates under Software Update to keep your device protected with the latest system files and security responses. Finally, power off your iPhone by holding the volume up and side buttons together, then swipe to turn it off. Wait a few seconds, power back on, and check that everything is running smoothly. If you're still experiencing ghost touches, pop-ups, or strange behavior, back up your data and take your iPhone to an Apple store for a full hardware and software diagnostic. That is all there is to it. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite security tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.